The world, in our time, is full of opportunity. There has never been a time when people could do such extraordinary things with such a no barrier to entry playing field, where people can participate and play out and leave a legacy behind. And no one understands that better than the Chinese. We've done a tour called 888 because we went to 8 cities over 8 days and finished on the 8th of August. We have traveled 9,000 kilometers to get to Hong Kong, then we traveled 9,500 kilometers in China. Then we traveled 9,000 kilometers home. Worth every single one of those 27,500 kilometers just to see what we have seen. The Chinese get this more than anyone. The lasting impression is enthusiasm. They are enthusiastic like you would not believe. And the Chinese, they've made us so welcome. I'm very, very pleased to be here today. They were so kind and generous. They gave us gifts. We had dinner with the leaders. We did presentations and shared our business model with them, shared our projects, shared stuff about Leo banking, shared stuff about what we're doing, and they were taking it with open arms. And at the same time, they were having such fun. They were dancing, they were laughing, they were clapping. It was just the most extraordinary thing. I've created a company that is dedicated to entrepreneurship, to benevolent disruption. And I love that the Chinese will just get on and work their business.
So, Leo is the place to be. That's why I put my
Now, I'm not kidding myself. I'm not thinking that China in any way is perfect. China has massive challenges, but what they have is a willingness to work through those problems. The whole idea of working hard and doing something to change your circumstances, that is what China does. Absolutely mind-blowing. It just inspires me every day. Now, I know what I'm doing to leave a legacy for my ancestors. What are you doing? You need to get involved. You need to come here. You need to see this.